welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day even though the market is closed today, one of those weeks where the market is shorter. So I just want to break down to you NASDAQ, how to trade NASDAQ for 2025. I think if you had got into NASDAQ from last year, which is TQQ, you would have been up tremendously on your investment. Let's look at TQQ from 2023. Let's look at it from 2023. 24, 6. Let's look at it from a deeper last 3 years, right? All right. So the last 3 years, if you had got him, you would have been up tremendously on your return. If as you can see, this was 24. Not looking at. I don't want to see 24. 7, 24, 24. Still not giving me 2020 back. Then let's look at it for the last 5 years. Okay. See if I still can find, still can I give me, I have to look into this. But the point that I'm trying to get across is if you had got into NASDAQ 1 year ago, which is TQQ, you would have been up tremendously on your money because NASDAQ has been rallying, keep rallying. No matter how much it pushed down, it keep rallying with a support right here on the pullback days. We tend to find support around 20,000 and we tend to get rejected at 22,450. So we're just painting this. You can see the RSI definitely look down. RSI right here looking down and we're MACD looking down. But you never know what tomorrow can bring. Tomorrow is Friday. I don't expect anything in the market rather than the market to continue to trade sideways tomorrow, because normally on Friday it's not a good day to trade, but normally it's a buy and hold for me. For this year, my strategy is, my methodology that I'm looking towards market is get into a stock and hold it, because if we look back at all, most of the stocks last year, what they did, we can definitely identify that if you had got in from the beginning of the year, you would have been up tremendously on your return. This is 24 January. So if you had got in January of last year on AMD was trading at $144. So you would have still, no, you would have been down right now because again, AMD is selling at 121. But this is a bad example. So let me go over to, I will say, Meta. If you had bought Meta last year, January 9th, this year to be precise, was selling at $348, you would have been up tremendously in return because the stock is worth now $610 a share. Muller Industry. If you had gotten last year, January here to date, January 9th, you would have got in at $45. Now the stock is worth $79. So again, my methodology for next year is to buy and hold. Why I'm looking to buy and hold? Because it makes more sense to buy and hold most of these stocks, because for the year we just continuously in and out of some of these stocks, and then when it finally rally, we're not in the stock to benefit from it tremendously. So for tomorrow, we're looking to get a significant report. With these two reports at 8:30 respectively, both of them will be released at 8:30, and Michigan Consumer Sentiment will be released at 10. So at 8:30 tomorrow, we're looking forward for non-farm payroll and we're looking for unemployment rate. So if unemployment rate come in at expected 150K, 154K, if it does come in that are below, market can trade either sideways like or not prediction, as we saw what happened with when we got a mixed report with the initial claim Wednesday and continuous claim. Market was up 100 points, then pulled back another 100 points because what the report was mixed. One was red and one was green. So expected was 131 and we got 122. Expected again was 218K and we got 201. So we got a mixed report. Market was trading mixed. Again, tomorrow we want to pay attention because again, tomorrow is Friday. We all know what happened on Fridays. If reports are not good, we can see a huge pullback in Nasdaq. And when we get a huge pullback on Nasdaq, we also can see every other individual stock pull back tremendously. So tomorrow if report is bad, again, look out for Nasdaq pulling back, and always it's a buying opportunity. We just come into a rough start for 2025 because last year we were trading way more better. Again, this is understandable, it is accepted, and also it's a discount. We get most of these stocks at a discount price. So again, feel free to inform me of anything that you want to know because I'm always here for you guys. Always, at any time, at all time. I am always here for you guys in regards to the stock market. So some of the stocks that I'm watching this year is I'm also watching Wayfair. Is it a greatest stock out there? No. Excuse me, but why? Because the pattern continued to repeat itself. You can see Wayfair sold off and then pushed up, gapped up over the couple of days. Sold off and then look what happened, pushed up. So my next prediction is once this stock with bad news or anything that come out with this stock for this year extended to, right? If we do pull back again to $37 a share, I'm going to load the boat and Wayfair. You know why? Because patterns tend to repeat themselves like it did before. Pull back, pushed up, got rejected at our 200-day moving average. Pull back again, found support, push right back up, got rejected again. So this pattern continued to repeat itself. So of course I'm going to take opportunity. The next time this opportunity forms, I'm going to set an alert to see if we break previous low. And if we do, I'm going to get in and hold and I'm going to get in at roughly 137 if it goes to 137 or anywhere where the support line hit, and I'm going to hold it for a while until it approach again our 200-day moving average. Then I will get out because as you can see, previous resistance was $58 and the new resistance was $56. So this is a perfect setup for a reversal. As you can see that previously the stock is on a downtrend because of the lock off, I would say, demand for the company. But RSI doesn't look good. MACD doesn't look good for now. But that's one stock that I'm watching. And with all the news that's out there today, going into tomorrow, never ever count out Nvidia because Nvidia always have something up their sleeve. So I'm on a high alert for Nvidia as well. So once this stock it continues to pull, if it does pull back to our 200-day at 132, I'm going to even load the boat too. As you can see that our MACD is about to cross. Once it crossed, then you know tomorrow it might cross if the market is bad. If all those news come out tomorrow and it's not good news that we're looking for in the market, I can tell you that we're looking for a pullback. And with that said, I just want to close by saying please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know if there's anything I can help with, because again that's my main focus on this channel, why I created this channel, to help others to grow their account strategically and with the new method that we have formed and try to implement in our day-to-day trading activities. So again, please like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. Until then, stay green in the market.